How to add admin to Facebook page. This tutorial shows you how to give someone administrator access to manage your business page. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device or go to facebook.com in your browser. Next, navigate to the Facebook page where you want to add an admin. Following that, tap on your page name to open the page you manage. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines or menu icon to access page options. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Settings to open Page Settings. Afterwards, look for Page Access or People and Other Pages in the Settings menu. In addition to that, tap on Page Access to see all current admins and roles. Once there, you'll see a list of people who have access to manage your page. Subsequently, tap on Add New or Invite People at the top of the page. Moreover, you can search for the person by typing their name in the search bar. Afterwards, select the person you want to add from the search results. Then, choose the role you want to assign them from the drop-down menu. Within the role options, you'll see Admin, Editor, Moderator, Advertiser, and Analyst. Alternatively, select Admin if you want to give them full control over the page. Once you've selected the role, tap on Add or Invite to send them access. Then, the person will receive a notification and need to accept the invitation. Within moments, they'll have admin access to help you manage the Facebook page. And that's it. If this admin edition guide helped you delegate page management, drop a like, subscribe for more Facebook page tutorials, and click the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.